Just slowly open and close. You can even hear that pop. Alright, there's the before. And just barely open. The other side, fully open. Alright, here's the after. Go ahead, slowly open. Not clicking or sticking.